start of All-Star match between Eliwood.
First possession. Rebound by Siliang to Sashi. His teammate takes and shoot. First jump shot by the Alvin of Bradel. Pass to Romel of J-League Knights for 2 points. Nice 2 for the yellow team. Number 5. Nice 2. Lulong pass to Romel for the jump shot for 2. No good. A rebound by his teammate. 2 for number 10. Up to number 5. To number 10 of Spartans. Spartan 2. Nice 2 for number 10. It's an interception by the yellow team. Number 5. Here comes the Elite Warriors for 2. Up to number 8. Lulong to Sashi. Sashi for Lufus. His teammate for 3. Still around for 3. As to number 6. Number 6 to number 9. To number 10. Nice pass. Nice bounce pass by the Spartans. The play. Pass to number 10. To Romel. Romel of J-League Knights for 2. Jump shot. Nice 2. Rebound by Romel. Romel pass to the wrong guy. Number 5. The long pass to number 15. Glenn. Alvin. To Siliang. Kicks and shoot. Oh, it's a foul. There. First try for Siliang. No, it's good. It's 2 for 2 for by his teammate Bobby for 2, no good. Rebound by Andy, number 11 to number 13. Jordan for 3. A veteran move by Jordan. To Bandino. Here comes Bandino. Nemesis pass to Jordan. Number 8 to Sashi for 2. Easy 2 for Mr. Sashi. First quarter, second try. It's 1 for 2 for number Dino. Number 7 to Dixon. Dixon! Nice 2 for Dixon. Back to number 12. Dixon! Dixon! Nice defense by the orange team. Dixon again. End one play by Dixon. To number 7. Number 7! 2 points by number 10 of Spartans. To Jordan. Jordan to Bendino, his teammate. Bendino raise up! Nice 2 points by Mr. Bendino. Mr. Dixon for Rock Dogs. Good for the number 12 of yellow. Here comes the number 4 of Cameras. Raise up! Here comes number 11. Number 11. Nice block! A nice block by Dixon. Nice defense. And pass to number... Oh, another good defense by Mr. Dixon. Here comes the number 14 of the Rock Dogs. Oh! It's good. Second try. It's good again. Number 3. No good. Rebound by number 10 for Spartan. No good again. Rebound by him again for the easy 2. At last. Pass to Jimmy. Nice pass to his teammate. Nice play for the orange team. Number 4 setting the play to number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 10 of Spartan. Spartan for 2. 2 points for number 10. Nice interception by number 7. Here comes number 7 for 2. Nice block by Dixon. A nice rebound by Dixon. Alvin penetrates a pass to Romel. Romel for 2. First kill. Alvin to Romel for 2. Back-to-back shot by number 5. Looking to his teammate. Number 6. Legs up. No good. Nice follow-up. Nice tip in by Dixon. Here comes the Spartan player. Nice long 2. For 3. Nothing but nothing. Here comes the Spartan player. Nice follow-up by Dixon again. Alvin setting the play. Pass to Selyang. Selyang fakes. Pumps. No good. Elbow. Rebound by Sashi. Nice move by Sashi. Number 10 of Spartans. Pass to Dixon. Here comes Dixon. Number 11. Pumps and shoots. Nice move. Dixon penetrates. Nice two for Mr. Dixon. Dixon to number 13. Jordan. Jordan for three. No good. Oh, big rebound by Big Glenn. Wow. Nice one for Glenn Orange team. Second try. It's good. 2 for Jimmy. To number 14. There is a foul. A foul on number. Nothing but net. Bendino to number 11. To number 14. Dixon. Dixon pumps and shoot. Nice two for Mr. Dixon. Number 11. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Sashi. Nice two. To Dixon. Dixon harassed by the two defender. It's an interception to Howie of Tamanjura. Jordan for three. Last one. Okay. Number 4. Pass to number 11 for 3 point. To number 10. Number 10 to Glenn. Glenn penetrates and pops. No good. Rebound by him. Nice. Try for the second time by Glenn. Jimmy. Pass to his teammate. Nice block by Glenn. Nice save by number 10 to Glenn. 10-second shot clock. Jason to Glenn. Glenn. A veteran shot by Hurry. Penetrates. Oh, nice block by number 11. A nice follow-up by number 14. Here comes DJ for 2. Nice 2 for number 9. Number 8. Number 8 to number 9. An interception by the orange team. Number 4 pass to number 11. Number 11 penetration pumps and shoot. No good. Stop the play. Pass to Dixon. Dixon. Looking for Jimmy. Here comes Jimmy. A near interception. Number 11. Nice 2 for number 11. Sashi fakes and shoots. Nice 2 for Sashi. 7.5 seconds. Number 4 to Jason. Jason to DJ for 2.